Hello, hello. Today is a perfect day to add some color to your day. And it's so easy to do that with Mary Kay makeup because our colors come separately. So this is our perfect palette, and this is actually my perfect palette. So this is a brand new one. It's all shiny and it snaps open. And then inside, this is magnetic. So we have 28 eyeshadow colors, 10 blushes, 2 contours, and 2 highlight colors. So, you know when you get that compact at the drugstore and there's 4 eyeshadow colors and you only like 2 of them? And you know how those 2 colors run out and then you have full pans of the other 2 colors that you don't like? And you know how you throw that away and then you go and get 4 more colors and you only like 2 of them? So you don't have to do that with Mary Kay because the colors come separately. So you just lift this color right out of that case and you just plop that right in there. That is magnetic. The color is in a magnetic pan, and all of the eyeshadow colors would fit in here if you wanted all 28 of them. Otherwise, as you can see, in mine, I've got the top 2 rows with eyeshadow colors, then I've got some blushes, I've got the contour, and I've got some highlighters in there. And these are all the colors that I need. We have the cool shades, we have the warm shades, we have all of the colors you need in this gorgeous Pro palette, which I love so much. It's so slim and it can go everywhere I go. So, love you.